Hi, Dr. Todd Sullivan from NOVA Chiropractic and Acupuncture. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a demonstration of an acupuncture exam with my son Connor, and then we're going to be doing an acupuncture treatment. Now Connor's 3.5 years old, almost 4, so we're going to demonstrate what an acupuncture exam looks like. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure some points along Connor's wrist and his ankles. We're going to do both sides. The patient, in this case my son, does not feel anything when we're doing this treatment. He just feels me pressing a little Q-tip up against his skin. Perfect. Great, let's go here. Okay, switch hands with me. There you go. Perfect. And all you got to do is just grab it like that. Great job. So we're going to measure this spot now. This is great for kids if they have any anxiety or sleep problems. Acupuncture can be really helpful for that. It can also be helpful if they have any digestion problems. Good. And go palm down. And let's measure this spot. Good, and let's measure this spot. Good. Now we've performed this on Connor several times already, so he knows kind of what to expect, but we explain this to all our patients, and it doesn't hurt. Good job, buddy. Hold on to that probe. We've also treated older kids in school where they have ADHD or attention issues, and they can't focus. Good. We do this each time to see how the patient is progressing. We see improvement each time, and that's great because we can show the patient on the graph how they're improving each time as well. Okay. Let's check right there.
Right, number 3. Right, 53. Right, bladder 64. Right, gallbladder 40. Right. Stomach 42. Please remeasure.
Okay, so now we completed the exam. We may have to remeasure a few points if it seemed out of the normal. So on his left hand, I'm just going to recheck a point right here. And just switch hands to the other side there, buddy. Let's check this side. Good job. And let me hold this one. Good. We're just going to remeasure. Good. And we're going to recheck his large intestine. And this is just making sure that it's an accurate exam. I'm going to recheck his stuff.
Exam complete.
Okay, so now we're finished with the exam. So now what we're going to do is we're going to perform an acupuncture treatment, and I'm going to go over a couple different treatment options for kids and ways that they can tolerate it. It's not painful, they enjoy it, and my son is very used to it, and we do it all the time. Okay, so now that we've performed the exam, now we're going to do the treatment. Now with the kids, there's a few different options. We have very small, tiny needles, and I'm going to use those with Connor. And we typically use those in adults. We use them in the face, but for kids, they're really perfect because they're very, very tiny. All they feel is a gentle little tap. We're going to place them in a few different spots. We also have stick-on needles which you can place on the area that are even smaller, and they're just a little taped-on needles, and patients don't even feel anything with that. It's just like putting a Band-Aid on. So those are great options. Finally, if someone is deathly afraid of needles and they just don't want anything, we also can either do a laser therapy treatment with on the acupuncture points, or we can also use what they call auriculotherapy, which is treatment on ear points. We use a little stim machine to help stimulate those points. But in Connor's point, he's used to getting acupuncture, so we're going to do just an acupuncture needle on different spots here. So first one, Connor, is going to go right there. Good job. And the next one is going to go right there. Good. You're doing great. Almost done. And the points that we're picking are ones that correlated from his graph that showed up that they're points that we need to balance. Almost done. You're doing great. Just lay back down. Good. Last one. Good job, buddy. Okay, Connor, how do you feel? How does this feel to you? Do you feel any discomfort?
No.
It feels very good? Mm-hmm. You like getting acupuncture, don't you? Mm-hmm. So this is a great treatment option if someone is dealing with any anxiety, ADHD, or has any digestion or allergy issues. We do that a lot with kids. Very effective. They respond very quickly, usually within the first 2 to 3 visits. So I would highly recommend that. If you have any questions, give my office a call at 703-912-7822, or you can schedule online at novachirowellness.com.